You are watching Xavi's Brix. Brix.
Today I'm going to be building this Lego City satellite repair mission. Now I'm going to open it.
I'm here and I'm Lara.
Still here. I'm Apollo.
He's Apollo.
This is the first time Apollo's being on here getting recorded. Now I'm going to open the bags,
this is the first time.
take out, there's stickers. Now I'm going to organize the pieces by color, not by size.
No.
Who does that?
You're doing it by color, I think.
Yes, I am.
But you said not by color.
I said by color.
By size?
No, by color.
Okay.
Alright, now I'm gonna start building the white minifigure guy. The guy in the suit. And I'm making him right next to the box like I always do. Now I'm gonna start making the satellite.
I don't remember you putting minifigures next to the box. That's a satellite? It doesn't look like that.
Satellite. Now I'm gonna put some stickers on it and stuff. It is nothing special.
No, a satellite?
Now I'm gonna start building the spaceship.
Okay, what's a spaceship?
Oh my god. Spaceship is.
What is something special?
You know what the spaceship looks like? It looks like a boat. And then
That's the bottom of it.
And then those white things that are sticking out of it, they look like the...
That's the thing that's gonna hold the satellite.
But where's the satellite?
It's right next to the box. Okay, Lyra. Really? Something special is something special. Okay, Paul? Something special is something special. Now I'm gonna start making the lights. Now the back of it's almost done.
Wait, did you say lights?
Oh my god!
Now I'm gonna start making the top. I don't really like sets with stickers.
I'm a spaceship.
Putting on stickers.
I'm a spaceship.
Okay, now I'm gonna start making the top.
Now I'm gonna start making the top.
Now I'm using orange
Now I'm
pieces.
using orange pieces.
And
Okay. Say it right.
And I almost
Got it?
got it. Now we're gonna make the soy.
What's that?
Now we're gonna make the soy.
The size.
Yes, and put on stickers. Now
Throw it.
I am not throwing this. I'm just gonna look at the instructions, see all the extra pieces I have, and put them on. Now I'm gonna stick that. Wait, we're gonna I actually put it on. Now we gotta fix it, put it on, and there we go.
Okay.
Now I just. So do I have to put the satellite in? Yeah, I'm just gonna.
Yeah, you have to put the satellite on.
Shove it in there.
What
that
if it
little
breaks?
spot. Oh, if it breaks, I can just fix it. Now I'm gonna put the handle thingy bobbers on.
What's here?
Now I'm gonna put the minifigure guy in.
Yeah. That's my favorite part. Don't forget Lyra's here.
Wait,
Don't forget
no.
my name, Lyra. Don't
He's
forget.
too fat. He can't fit.
Okay, put it to the side.
Oh, okay.
What are you gonna do after you put it to the side?
Yeah, that's the Lego Overwatch set, and here's the second. That's from the second video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or else a scorpion will crawl on your face while you're sleeping.
Can you stop
Also,
saying that? Bye-bye. Like and subscribe.
No, don't.